Welcome back, everyone. Today's featured recipe is a romaine salad with pastrami and my homemade Dill-Ranch salad dressing. I hope you enjoyed this one. Here is the list of ingredients that I used to build this pastrami salad. One cup chopped organic romaine lettuce, chopped cilantro 3 tablespoons, 1 mini sweet yellow bell pepper sliced into rings. Add a dash of salt, 1/8 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/8 teaspoon dried mixed Mediterranean herbs. Add 8 slices of pastrami or salami, heated for a few minutes in the air fryer and then sliced. Add 3 tablespoons of Dill-Ranch homemade salad dressing. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell to get notifications about new recipes, comment down below, and thumbs up this video. Also, come join me over on my Instagram account where I also post daily. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a good day. Bye-bye.